Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel English with English. And today's video we'll all talk about how to watch movie. Movie is the way where we can listen and we can watch, we can improve our English or not. So before diving in my content, I will tell you a story which will help you to know the movie is that significant for your learning or not. So I will tell you my friend's story. Just I will say you this small story which will help you to understand the movie is that way where we can boost our communications or not. So wait till end of this video and you will know all these things, how to watch movie and it is effective or not effective. So I have friend, his name is that Bipin, and Bipin always watch movie. While watching movie he do a lot of entertainment and he always just do some fun, he jump, he just hum something song about that. And while doing these things he think it I can improve English, but he's been watching movie since he born. First he was watching in native language, and secondly when he known that while watching movie we can train our brain to listen this language and to speak, so he started watching movie in English. But the thing is that he watched like he was watching their native language movie. He watched like that and he watched 1 to 2 3 4 5 years and he got no more improvement. Of course he understood all this movie and his understanding power is that too much great, but the thing is that he cannot speak. And now he can speak because he met me a year ago and he applied my strategy of how I watch. It's been 2 years and while just implementing my strategy he is also able to speak English now. So what kind of strategy I have told and how did I get his weaknesses, how did I analyze it, how did I guess it, and how the things I have delivered, how I just talked and tell him and he started applying in their life one on one and now he's able to speak. I will tell you this technique to you in this video. So just I will request you, I have a small single request, just please hit the bell icon, subscribe my YouTube channel and be with me to your journey to make success. So what did I tell him? First, his weakness was he was watching movie 2-3 years ago in their native language. So his native language is good, he was understanding good, he was feeling too much nice and too entertaining and joyful in their mother tongue. But when he started going to job and he found the job is too much necessary to do in my life and language is the barrier to just get a high class of reputation, high class of just label in his life. So he started listening and watching English in movies. He started following this language in through movies, through podcasts, through many kind of cartoons. He started doing this thing kind of stuff. But the thing was wrong of him. What was wrong? Because before starting the process of English he was watching in their mother language for only entertainment, not to learn any kind of thing, only for entertainment. When he started learning these things unconsciously, he was entertaining himself, not he was learning the language. His intention was to entertain their mind, all these things, but not to learn this language. That was first mistake of him. Then I told, what you have to do, not to do entertainment, just learn to this language. How can you learn? The first thing is that, what did I tell him? First, I told him, don't care about the scenes, the anxiety, the stress or horror kind of thing. Your intention should be the word, how the actor are speaking. After speaking, how they are moving their body's language, how they are just using their mouth, their gesture, their body language. You must have to create these things, not to enjoy the scenes, not to enjoy the fight. You have to care the sound, what they are telling that. The first thing was that. And second, what did I tell him? I just tell him, don't care about subtitle. First, you are watching, so don't watch with subtitle. Watch without subtitle. Subtitle means that if you are on YouTube, so there in corner of your mobile here, you will see CC. That is subtitle. When you will click on that and your subtitle will come, whatever the actor and you will speak, it will goes on your display. Okay, so that is subtitle. Because is that when you will start the subtitle, you will lose your listening power. You will care on display, you will read the sentences and the reading will be boost and the brain will be boost, but your ear will not boost, the listening power will not boost. So watch the movie first without subtitle, and if you understanding, that is great. If you're not understanding, so again you watch this movie a day later, an hour later, or 2 days later with subtitle. And then pay attention on subtitle, how they are telling that. Don't forget to do one kind of thing. If you like any sentence through actor which is they have spoke, just pause the video and repeat by your mouth. Repeat 1-2 times. Then your mouth will also get trained how to speak the word, because when the actor is speaking, you are hearing, you got that how to speak this sentence, and again you have to repeat, mimic or just imitate those words. It will help you to train your mouth and your muscle. This is the two things. And also I have just say with him, just you have to watch the movies or many kind of like podcast movies or any kind of cartoons or any kind of speech or anything, just on regular basis, consistently every single day, not more. You do not have to watch one movie 2-3 hours continuously. No, just watch movie half an hour, 1 hour and half an hour, 1 hour 15 minutes every single day, and pay attention of it and imitate that. If you will imitate, you will make yourself too confident and too much fast learner as well. Most importantly, what the non-native speaker do, they just, when they get understand themselves to learn any kind of language in their life, what they do, they started learning with native speaker, where native are speaking so advanced English, like you speak your Hindi or any other tongue so advancedly, they speak so advanced. And when you will get advanced thing, you will not understand a single word, what will happen with you? It's mean not to that you will not learn. Nothing. That's not mean of that. The mean is that just you will get frustration. You will worried. Oh, how English is tough. How can I do that? How I will spell? How can I pronounce the word by the tongue? Just you will feel quite furious, and you will give up. You will just stop the learning, and you can't learn these things. So just I will tell you, if you're watching any movie or cartoon, so just you have to watch any Indian, South Indian or other Indians dubbed movie. Dubbed movie mean of that what I'm trying to say you have to just find out the movies on many kind of YouTube movies. You can return that Hindi dubbed movie into English. You will find out Indian movies, and they will speak, and they speak so clearly. You can understand very easily, and while understanding too easily, you can do the things so nicely. You can understand, you can feel good, nice. If you are beginners, so do this. If you're quite advanced, your understanding is good and you can manage it the things, so you must have to listen or watch movie of like other countries like native American or UK or other countries movie. That's no problem. And while watching, you know that you have to do, which is I have done the things I have already told. Again I'm gonna tell you, the listening comes by listening, the reading comes by reading, the speaking comes by speaking, and the writing comes by writing. Whatever you want to do in your life, you have to do that things. So listening and reading and writing, three things is to just you have to take internal knowledge. This is three things. This is a base of these three things is that to input you are just getting while listening, while reading, and while writing. You are getting. If you're doing three things, only you are training your brain. While training your brain, you can get it what the things is going on surrounded you. But if you want to reply the things, you want to give output. Input you have to get a lot, but if you want to give output, so you have to speak. And if you will try to speak, then you can speak. So while listening those things, don't forget to pause video and to speak as well. Like you listen to songs in your life, while listening songs you also hum. You also just you just hum the songs, and you feel good, man. You feel okay, I can sing like him who is singing in front of me. You feel too good. So don't forget to do this. And movie watch every single day, not unlimited, limitedly. And while listening those things, just you have to also conclude the things. Whatever you are listening in your life, you have to adopt some words, some technique, some body language in your life. Then you will get benefit. Watching 3-hour movie, getting none of sentences, that is not good. Yeah, it will help you to understand, but not too fastly. It will help you too slow. So find out some technique, find out some vocabulary, find out some moment to use those kind of vocabulary in front of anyone. These 3-4 techniques I have told to my friend, and he used, and he can manage the people in their life who is coming to speak in English language. And I am damn sure if you'll do these things 1 to 3 months, you will get huge result in your life, and you will feel, oh, the things is gonna to work in my life. And one more thing you can forget from your mind, and you will feel, I am just overcoming of that. This is why, this is the things when you feel I am still at one level, neither I'm improving, now I'm increasing, now I'm decreasing, I'm not confident, I'm not learning. People feel that I am learning, doing hard work, but I'm not getting improvement in your life. You will not feel like that if you will do honestly 1 to 3 months. So now, my dear friend, this is my content for today, and I will make you promise, I will just bring you a strong and applicable content for you in future, where you can boost your communication better than anyone at all. So be with me, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and be with me for a long time until you become a great speaker at your place, without any environment or without any kind of person in your life. Here I will tell you bye bye, see you soon.